I'm so lost this time at the end of the day, guys.
Talk about it later when we get to the volcano. Don't worry. All right, how we all doing today, guys? Good. Yeah, don't anybody ask how I am. That would be polite. How many of you woke up this morning and said, Disneyland, Jungle Cruise, I have to do it? Me too. Let's get out of here. All right, wave goodbye to all of you with us on the dock. Bye, everybody. See you in 2 weeks. Oh, sorry, that's another joke.
That's the boat we're taking.
Here a little bit later. All right, go ahead and toss it in. The boat this time, not the water. All right, watch your head, watch your step there, folks. Use the handrails there. Go ahead and slide all the way down that knee, folks. Slide on down. Slide on down. Ideally, and slide, but keep those feet clean somehow. There you go. If you're heading through the back door, go ahead and slide all the way up to the front. Don't church to the room. You get a longer ride in the back. There you go. Right up here, right next to me, and right next to my sacrificial altar. I'll explain why later. Hope you like volcanoes. And barbecue. We'll serve you first. There you go. Watch your head, watch your step there, folks. We got the last few victims. Visitors coming on board. Then we'll be underwater. Underway. Sorry. Singing about my last cruise. There you go, folks. You can have a seat right back there, right in the VIP section. View is pathetic. There you go, folks. You can have a seat right next to the engine there, right over the boat's battery. Most people find that revolting, but I think there's positive and negative side to everything, don't you? There you go. Watch your head and watch your step while boarding there, folks. Use the handrails. For those of you just joining us, we were just sharing our deepest and darkest secrets. It's your turn. Go. It wasn't your turn.
It's just like that.
See, I know, right? Exactly. Just like an open book you are, aren't you? Exactly. See, there you go. Oh, and we're out of here. Everybody wave goodbye to the beautiful people on the dock. I don't see any either. Just keep waving. It's supposed to be nice. Now, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise, folks. My name is Eddie, and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get, or unless you run into trouble, in which case Patrick will be taking over. Now, folks, before we get too far down the river, I want to remind everybody to remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. We begin our journey here in the rainforest, where it rains 485 days of the year. That's almost every day. Now, folks, who is ready for their very first sign of danger? It's right there. It's in capital letters with an exclamation point. That's how you know it's true. Now over here on the right-hand side, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. That's where famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is searching for one of the world's greatest treasures. Now the reason it's called the Temple of the Forbidden Eye is because the Temple of the Forbidden Me is terrible grammar. Now, folks, we're going to be entering an ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian Shriners.
Oh!
On the left-hand side, we have a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Now, those tigers, they can jump over 25 feet, but don't worry, we're only 15 feet away. He'll jump right over our heads, just like my jokes. Also, on the left-hand side, we have Ginger. Careful, though. Ginger snaps! I know, she's one tough cookie. Sorry about that, folks. That was pretty crummy. But I'm going to milk it for all it's worth. Now, as we pass by the idol of Ganesha, we're going to enter the sacred bathing pool at the Indian elephant.
Oh, look, elephant.
Now, feel free to take as many pictures as you'd like. They all have their trunks on. Now, did you know that most elephants can grow up to 4 feet, while most humans can only grow 2?
Well, that one's getting splashed.
Now that elephant in the waterfall, that's Bertha. Now, Bertha's been in that waterfall for a very long time. You can tell because of all the wrinkles. Yeah, looks like she needs to see a pachydermatologist. Uh-oh. What are you doing out here, Squirt? Hey, no, Squirt, stay down. Okay, good. We don't want to get these nice people wet, okay? Good. All right, looks like he forgot to pack his truck. Now, folks, just ahead of the boat, we have the local campsite. Now, we're going to go stop out there and pick up a few supplies. Folks, this looks dangerous. Let's get closer. In the jungle?
Yeah, they're not.
Isn't that special? That is a 38 special. Yeah, looks like we're in banana territory for sure. We better split. Now, folks, over here on the left-hand side, we have some native bamboo. Now, bamboo can grow up to 5 stories tall out here. Some people will tell you 6, but that's another story. Just ahead of the boat, we have beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after the famed African explorer and humanitarian, Dr. Albert Falls. Now, they say more water goes over these falls in 1 minute than a man can drink in his entire lifetime. I don't know about you, but I find that pretty hard to swallow. Now, folks, we just turned down the Nile River because it was way too loud. On the left-hand side, we have an African bull elephant. That is the second most feared animal in the jungle. And on the right-hand side, we have the most feared animal in the jungle. His mother-in-law. Now, folks, just ahead of the boat, we have the great African veldt, where the hand of man has never set foot. Now, there's usually a plethora of animals out here. Let's take a look and see what we have out today. Looks like we've got some, stripy ponies, some long-necked cheetahs. I don't know what those are. Those must be new. Oh, and look, that private lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. Yeah, that's very sweet of them. That's how zebras sleep, kids, on their side, surrounded by lions. Feet in the air, next slightly back. Oh, wow. Now, that is incredible. That is amazing. Would you look at that, folks? There must be like a million rocks on that beach. I don't know about you, but I don't see that every day. Now, folks, I'm not too sure where we've wound up here, but I think I got out of control with my navigator here. You got that map still? Let's see here. Where are we heading it to?
At the hippo pool.
The hippo pool. Everybody remain calm. We have just entered a pool full of dangerous hippopotami. Now, hippos are extremely dangerous. Just last week, they sank 6 of our boats. Don't worry. Only 5 are mine. At least they seem quite calm. Uh-oh, not ahead. They're charging everybody. Cover your ears. They're going to try and scare them up. Can you believe that? They're acting one way and then a completely opposite way. What a bunch of hypocrites. Uh-oh. We're not out yet, folks. We're now entering headhunter territory, which is a terrible place to be headed. Over here we have some native arts and crafts that aren't on top of the rest of the craft family. Now it looks like the natives are celebrating something. Let me see if I can translate here. Nope. Uh-oh. Folks, looks like they're going to attack the boat. Everybody get down, get down, get down! Ricochet, ricochet. To be or not to be. Oh, did you hear that last one? That one was a Shakespeare. And now, folks, it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the glorious, it is the stupendous, it is the eighth wonder of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we have for you the backside of water! Or as we like to call it here, O2H. For you chemistry enthusiasts, that's an explosive joke. Let's try that again on this side, the front side of rock. There we go. I'm too excited. The rest are going to take it for granted. It's actually a limestone. I mean, I think it's quite marvelous, but my friends think it's nice. Should I be bolder in my delivery? You guys seem a bit jaded. I said it exactly. Do I need a new mica? Come on, that one's a gem. I got these on sale. Can you tell? Of course. All right. That's the last one. I promise. Oh, get out of here! They look like man-eating piranhas! Women! Children! You should be fine. Here, baby, sir, hiding behind that small child. Just ahead of the boat, we have a boa constrictor sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes asphyxiation. It's a very constricting relationship. On the left-hand side, we have my good friend, Trader Sam. Trader Sam is the head salesman of the jungle. Business has been shrinking, but he's running a great special today. 2 of his heads for just 1 of yours. That's right, folks. Any way you slice it, you always come out ahead. And now, folks, we're making the most dangerous turn of our journey. That is the return to civilization. You just survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Give yourselves a hand. Now, folks, if you enjoyed your cruise today, my name is Skipper Eddie. If you didn't, my name is Terry, and I look like her. Now, folks, as we approach dock, make sure to stay seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the boat, away from the sides, and especially away from our dock. You don't want to get your hand caught between the boat and the dock. That can cause a lot of what we call peer pressure. Yes, and we all know how bad that is. Now, folks, I have to say, of all the crews I have taken out to the jungle, you have definitely been one of them. And I mean that, honestly and truly, every time they make me say it. But, folks, I really enjoyed having you here in my boat today, and I hope you all enjoyed being had.
Thank you, Eddie.
That doesn't sound quite right. No, hang on. I'm going to try that again. I enjoyed taking you out to the jungle, and I hope you all enjoyed being taken. That was worse. That's much worse. Everybody have fun, though, right? Yeah! Good. Me too. Thanks for asking. I had so much fun. I'm going to go again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And stay in school, kids. I'm kidding. I hope you had a lot of fun. In fact, I hope you had half as much fun as I did, because that means I'm lucky, because then I had twice as much fun as any of you. Get out. Sorry, that was rude. Please get out. If you're on the water side, head all the way to the back. You'll be helped out by the rear of the boat.